Tracie from Sugary Dozen, and I am so happy you have joined us today. So we are going to have a little fun in the kitchen today by making our praline topping. Of butter, and along with the butter we're going to whisk in some brown sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, and along with the brown sugar we have our milk. Going to add in a little vanilla for flavor. So right now, a little at a time, we're going to add in 2 cups of powdered sugar. And I'm going to add it in slowly because I want to make sure all of the lumps are out. I do not want lumpy icing at all, and you're going to see the color change. And I'm going to add some more of the icing and just bring it all together. Baking in the kitchen is just something that I have always enjoyed doing. It's just relaxing, it's calming, it allows us to have fun, we play our music, it's family time, and so many people feel the same way. So, as we add our sugar, I'm going to add the last of our milk. Whisk in the rest of it. After all of the lumps are gone, we're going to sprinkle in our pecans. Some people say pecans. To sprinkle in, not all of them. I'm going to reserve some for the top. So usually we would allow this to cool for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we pour it on top of our pound cake. So we're going to pour it now, and as you can see, the color is simply perfect. So let me get this. We're going to pour it on top. Now we're going to take it and put it on our tray. Oh my goodness. This is what everyone waits for at the end of dinner. Look at that. It is simply beautiful. Praline topping in here.